Hey guys, you may wonder why you're looking at my basement floor. Well, that little USB device I was using as a boot drive is corrupt. There's something going on inside it. And, well, because I don't really trust anything, I have this hammer back when I used to frame. So, yeah, I think that's good. A little bit of frustration with that because it took me 7 hours to realize it. So, anyways, wear safety glasses. Don't be doing this at home. Okay, so we're both powered up, and we're going to type in the login, which apparently is root. And we have an IP address. Beautiful. That's good news. So we're going to type in the IP address, which is 192.168.1.29. Ooh, right away. System notifications are disabled. Click here to change notification setting. Okay. Well, this is awesome. Alrighty, so I'm gonna mess around here and then I'll give you guys a quick update. So I now have unRAID working. The settings that I just grabbed were, they're just like time, date, and format and things like that don't really matter so much. We've only been up for 7 minutes. We are unregistered still. I will be registering this. I am amazed that this is working. CPU load is like 1%. We have our 4 cores there. Tells me the RPM. Memory usage at the 8 gigs is 10%. Not bad. Like this is pretty sick. 1,000 megabytes per second, full duplex. Beautiful. Not sure where the hard drives are. There's parity, which we don't have. Main, disk 1, everything's all not even touched yet. Shares, shared view shares, users. We are just root. Settings. This is just like our dashboard or whatever. Plugins, nothing's installed. Docker, no idea what that is yet. Virtual machine, obviously we don't have that. And then tools. A bunch of stuff here. Okay. I have a lot to learn now that it's working.